Obviously, I like to start vlogs at gas stations. Apparently, recording. You gotta put that good 93. Alright, so this is how we start the night. We had to fill up with some gas. Did y'all just... Y'all saw that? She's a squirter, bro. Park over... Oh, never mind. Park here then. Oh gosh, I got that on video. He just got 2 shawls. But no, look at how funny this is. This Red Bull would perfectly fit right in there. Like that. Oh look, you have a cup holder. Check this out. Look.
Oh, what the fuck? This could actually fall. Dude.
Are you going in farther? Yeah. That was so stupid. It wouldn't even last. Alright, so we're out here. Moto Nacho wants to find people to spam with his cards. We're all jacked up on Red Bull, and he's lit right now. My bike shoots flames. Check out Moto Nacho's video. I think he got it on video. If it turns out good, it'll be on. Yeah, this place is so much better during the daytime. There's like nobody here. Sunday night, everybody's got work, school. I got school. Well, I have to go to school to take a test. No? What school do y'all go to? Byron Nelson?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, I'll do it. Alright, it was nice to meet y'all. Alright, we got Bell out, bro. Alright, so those girls, they wanted me to do a wheelie, and I couldn't tell them no. I was in a parking lot, it was completely safe. I looked around, nobody was going my way, so I was like, you know what, why not? The girls wanted a wheelie, so I gave them a wheelie. Alright, do a little takeoff. Actually on our way to make a sketchy Craigslist deal. Normally I wouldn't be doing Craigslist deals this late at night, but this is like one of the only times, and it's one of the only people that are offering me what I want. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications if you're not. Anyways guys, it's been Moto Nacho and Special K, and I'm out. Peace!